It's 5:30 a.m. in a field somewhere in the world. The crop is ready, and the weather is keeping up. Let's hope. Now man and machine must be ready to give it everything they've got. If necessary, non-stop, round the clock. No breakdowns or second chances allowed. The weather doesn't stop for repairs. Here in Zedelgem in Belgium, New Holland has been producing combine harvesters for over 100 years. And farmers on every continent depend on their reliability to bring in their harvests.
Loctite wordt op verschillende toepassingen gebruikt aan onze machines. En de reden is dat betrouwbaarheid van ons product heel belangrijk is. De landbouwers en loonwerkers moeten de oogst immers inhalen in een heel korte periode. En daarvoor is betrouwbaarheid van het product, dus onze maaidors, heel belangrijk. Daarvoor steunen wij op Loctite op kritische boutverbindingen, zoals wij bijvoorbeeld hebben op de reiniging, waarbij dat boutverbindingen moeten in orde blijven gedurende de hele levensduur van de machine en de boutverbinding is sterk onderworpen aan trillingen.
New Holland relies on Loctite's experience and practical know-how in nearly all production areas. Whether it's cleaning, sealing or assembly, the Loctite brand is always there. Loctite anaerobic products are not only used because of the numerous technical advantages they offer, but also because they help optimize assembly processes. For example, flange sealant Loctite 515 is used during pre-assembly for the efficient and cost-effective protection of the axle bearings against moisture from the washing process. This avoids an expensive and time-consuming extra step without compromising the reliability of the components.
New Holland hecht enorm veel belang aan de opleiding van haar werknemers. En daarom is ook een van mijn belangrijkste taken als salesengineer om ervoor te zorgen dat de mensen die met Loctite-producten werken een grondige opleiding krijgen. Bovendien kijken wij continu hoe wij het productieproces kunnen verbeteren en hoe wij de betrouwbaarheid van de landbouwmachines nog kunnen verhogen. New Holland Zedelgem gebruikt meer dan 20 verschillende Loctite anaerobe producten. Het voordeel is dat die ook wereldwijd beschikbaar zijn en dus ook in de aftermarket kunnen ingezet worden.
One of the most severely stressed components on these high-performance 600 horsepower combine harvesters is the twin-rotor thresher. High-strength Loctite 270 is used to secure the thresher bolts. As these parts are difficult to access later, this is the only way to make sure they will withstand the extreme vibrations of constant hard harvesting that may last weeks. A central gear drives the two 3-meter-long thresher rotors. The New Holland engineers use Loctite 638, an anaerobic high-strength adhesive in assembling the shaft hub joints. With the help of an activator, the adhesive cures in no time and securely fixes the central gear, even when threshing up to 100 tons per hour. Many important components of New Holland's combine harvesters are moved and controlled by hydraulics. Loctite 542 is used in the assembly of the hydraulic system to prevent any leaks, even under the harshest conditions. By ensuring that the machines run smoothly, this Loctite thread sealant plays a key role in the high degree of mechanization in today's agriculture. The thresher machinery is the heart of every combine harvester and is crucial for the performance. The Belgian's top model shows just what a machine like this is capable of. With a weight of more than 16 tons and a length of nearly 10 meters, the CR 1990 has demonstrated its outstanding performance under competitive conditions. At 551 tons of grain harvested in 8 hours, it holds the Guinness Combine Harvester World Record, with no small thanks to the various Loctite products used. While technical features and innovations are clearly important, at the end of the day, it's the reliability of a machine that determines its success.